This conference will now be recorded.
In production, it's almost we'll use the Docker file only. So manually we'll not do it. For simple things and also we'll run the manually containers and the images also, whatever. But that so we'll go for the Docker file only. In Docker file we'll mention whatever we required. So the commands that whatever so those things are done. So if you see it's something in Google Docker file example. See some examples. Same thing, whatever it is, same thing only. Some examples. So see, okay, so you can see same. Okay, so the image, maybe some image. Okay, so from the image from is okay, so all instructions should be the so caps. Okay, so image here, so switching to some directory, copy, just copying some JSON. Okay, so copy the file from your host to your current location. So your okay, so your they're copying so this JSON file from your their host to current location means to here. Okay, copy, running some command. Okay. So defining some port number commands. Okay, they're starting npm, they're starting npm service, come down from that. See, all same thing. Okay, so if you take any Docker file example, so it will be looks like same thing. Examples. So take anything. You can see so many projects are there. Take file, Docker file. So you can see. So the same from maintainer means the author with the to your name or your email ID something. So okay, so here you can see here. Okay, so for okay, using same instruction. Okay, so you multiple steps like multiple lines, right, for same instruction. So you can see. So instead of this thing, right? So if you're using okay, instead of like multiple lines, so multiple lines. Take notepad. So it is there at multiple lines. So instead of this thing, right? So something we can mention it. Okay. So like something we can mention like this. For same instruction, right? So if you want to repeat multiple things, then you can mention the so like this. Maybe okay, so like this. So okay, if you use
One command.
yeah, one command, yeah, in one command. Here, right? If you use like multiple, see, if you use same run instruction multiple times, right? In Docker, right, your image size will be increased. That binaries will increase. If you want to reduce the binaries, so okay, you can reuse one command like this. See, both are same. This is both same command, but here, right? So they're using they're repeating the same instruction multiple times. If you use like this, right? So the binaries will increase. Binaries will increase automatically. Your the Docker image size also will increase. If you want to why we are using Docker for lightweight replication, right? So always we need to maintain the low size. Low size. The Docker image should be the low size. So okay. So if you use like this, so okay, so we can save. We can at least we can reduce the some size with Docker size. Okay, Chandra, Sushant. Yeah. This is
Yes.
also one of the interview questions. So they will ask how to like the best practice. So what's the best practice to maintain the good size? Okay, so some low size Docker means. See, for example, like this. For example, if you want to use same instruction multiple times, if you want to repeat same instruction multiple times, then you in same command as one command you can write like this. Okay, so if you write like this, right, so at least you can save the you can reduce the binaries. You can maintain some low storage, low that image size under. I'll show you that one also. Same. Okay, if you see take 100 Docker files, same thing, nothing new, same thing. So take it any other thing. So, take MySQL, take MongoDB. So you can same thing. Okay. So run. So you're running something. Okay. apt get update. This all like okay. So the Ubuntu commands. Ubuntu commands. Same structure. So if you take in, okay, so Apache. So here also you can see maintainer. So run. Okay. You can see here. So like this also you can use it. You can use like these symbols, double these symbols. Okay, doubles. Or you can mention the multiple commands here. So
Okay.
using environment, they're setting up some environment variables. Okay, so environment variables. Expose means if you want to define any host for your application. So expose. Then okay, so they're starting Apache foreground something. Same thing. Okay, if you see any example, it will be the same. Okay, we'll go back. We'll see some other examples. It's very important. Okay, so you need to learn Docker files, how to write Docker files and that. So same thing. Okay, see same thing, same instructions. Okay, so here you can see. Sorry, this one not okay. This one. Okay, so this one. Okay, so this lens. Here you can see. Here you can see. So if you use like this, right? So okay, so you can reduce the some darker image size. Same thing, yeah. Okay, if you see any number of darker files, it will looks like same. So here you can see something. Also, okay, from same thing. Okay, if you see anything, right? Same. So any questions here? So any questions?
No, Ram, this is you're just showing this is how to read a Docker file or how to reduce those things, right? So that's pretty much it. Either you use slash or you use ampersand, right?
Yes,
Those are the
yes.
two
You can
or
use
any
slash.
other.
Yeah, you can use slash or the symbol to print the commands. Okay. Something like this. Yes. Okay, right. So that is the Docker file. Very easy and important also. So this instruction that you have to remember. Okay. What is the copy? What is the yard? What is the from? What is the okay? So all this you have to, what is the expose? What is the entry point? All this you have to remember. Okay, so we'll see one more thing. So one more Docker file. I'll copy paste, but in your case, please at least one time type manually. So D should be the caps. Okay, D should be the caps. Docker file. So here you can see. So if you see here, some multiple stages. So this is the build stage. This is the like package. Okay. Yeah, I'm using that. So two different images for each builder. So this is one stage. This is one stage. So this is my actual commands, whatever. Okay, my actual commands. So here, right? If you see here, so here, any idea about these things under Maven, the build simple. Here, right? In this stage, what I'm doing using Maven, I'm converting my source code into some jar file, some other jar file. So here, right? Okay. So if you have confusion here, so these things we will discuss in the Jenkins. What is XML file? Simple. Here, right? I'm trying to convert my source code into jar file using Maven. So okay, here okay, so here in this folder I have the source code. Okay, so this is like Maven related some config file. So this is the Maven command to convert your source code into a jar file or WAR file something under. So if you don't know, if you're confusing about this command, what is the Maven this command under? So that we'll discuss in the Jenkins. For Jenkins, then we will go. So here, right? So here in this stage, I'm trying to convert my source code into jar file. So you see here. So here, okay. Here I have created one jar file. That jar file I am copying to another image. You can see. So you are taking Ubuntu, whatever that jar file in build stage. This is the build stage. As a build, you can see as a build. Okay, as a build. So in this stage, I have one jar file. I have converted one jar file from my source code. Right? So that jar file I am copying to different image so in this destination location. So this jar file will be the from here. I'm copying to so this destination location in this image. Yeah, as usual. So this is different. Okay, this is different display. I'll do this on this thing.
So are you doing like, are you updating in the same file for two images?
Yeah, yeah, two images. So why? Because right, so I will tell you.
Like you can do that? Okay.
Yeah, we can do it. Yeah, we can do that. So yeah, this is what. Yeah, right. So in one image, okay. So I'm converting my jar source code into jar file, the same jar file. Okay, so this is my actual, okay, so my actual image. So here, okay, here, whatever I have jar file here. So the jar file I'm copying to. So in this image, in this image. If you do all the steps in same image, right? Then again binaries will increase, your the actual image size will be increased. So that's why what I'm doing. So my step, the basics, my base stuff, whatever I want, the base stuff, like configuration, converting, building, all these things and all, I'm doing in some other image, okay, some other image. From that image, I'm copying my jar file to my actual image. So all these things you can do in the same image also. But if you do same image, right? Again, the binaries will increase. Your actual image size will be increased, right? So that's why to maintain the so my image size low and so what I'm doing, all my basic stuffs, whatever the converting, the building, map and something, all these unnecessary steps. So these steps are not required. Okay, so these steps, right? Finally, I need only jar file. My image, right? Finally, I need jar file. So this converting jar file I'm doing in the different image. This step is not required for me. Actually, this step is not required for me in this image, my main image. That's why what I'm doing, all that. Okay, so Maven build, so copying my source code, all these things, and I'm doing different image and building here. From here, I'm copying my jar file to so here. This is my actual image. Like multiple stages, simple multiple stages. Okay, stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. Okay, so that's it. First, in stage 1, I'm taking one image, okay, one image. So Maven something JDK Maven and all. So here I converting my source code to jar file. The same jar file I copy into my actual the image. Okay, Chandra, session.
Yeah.
Okay. So from Maven 3 JDK, the first line is there, right? That is an image,
Yeah.
correct?
Sorry.
Oh, that itself is an image, correct? From
Yeah, this is image. So Maven 360 JK1 Slim. This is the image. So
existing
Maven,
on our container, sorry, on the Docker, right? On the server.
yeah, Docker Hub, Docker, it will
Yeah.
be there, Docker Hub, but it will download
Docker.
from there.
Hmm.
Docker Hub it will be there. Here, right, so actually what, okay, so if you take normal in the Ubuntu, CentOS, some Red Hat, like I said, you have to install JDK, you have to install Maven. So to avoid all those stuff, directly you can take the Maven JDK image. If you take Maven JDK image, you no need to install the Maven, you don't need to install the JDK. It's a pre-configured, okay, so that image. Okay, Chandra.
Yeah, okay.
So image as a build, okay. So this step I'm taking as a build, okay, as a build. So okay, here you can see I have from build. I'm copying so this jar file from so build step to this location. So this is okay. So this is my Java project. So here I have my Java project. So I'm copying to here my image. So same thing. This is like the Maven some config file. Okay, so this thing I will discuss in the Jenkins. So the Maven config file, some XML file. In this XML file, we can mention. So that your test cases, whether you're building jar file or var file, okay, what is your jar file name, other stuff now you can mention. So that's what I'm copying to. So in this location, this is the Maven command. So clean package, Maven clean package. Maven clean package means it will convert the source code into jar file or var file. So any questions here? So in these steps, just let me know. You are in mute. Just you can unmute and you can type. Any questions? Chandra, Charan, Sushant?
No.
Okay. Sushant, any questions? Chandra? You are in mute.
No, okay.
Yeah, that as build, why we use some? Can you tell me? Yeah, as build.
As build, right? So okay, you can see. So this step that I'm using here.
Yeah.
So it's like this is the one stage, as build stage. Okay, build stage. If you want to use that, if you want to use so this content in somewhere. So okay,
So
you
that
have
is a
to use it.
predefined function, build, or
Yeah,
is it just
is a free different. Yeah, is a free different function. Here you can mention anything. Build instead of build anything. Some XYZ,
okay?
some ABC.
Okay.
ABC. Okay. Same thing here you can use. Okay, so maybe something. Like the same thing in Ansible, right? We have one that right that notify and handle section.
Okay.
So if you want to carry some content from this build to some other right, so there you have different some name, some ABC, some XYZ. Here also
Okay.
some from ABC.
Okay.
Leave it. So I will do. So I will copy all these things. Okay. So I have my GitHub. So this is my Java project. Okay. I have my GitHub. I'm copying to my local server. So here, right? So this should be in my Docker host. Okay, my Docker host. So here you can see I have CD. This is my Java project. Okay, some sample Java project. I'm not a Java guy. This is just sample Java project. If you see here, CD source, CD text, CD Java, CD com, CD my. So this is some test cases in Java. Okay, this project I got from somewhere. Okay, this is not written by me. I don't know Java. Just these are some test cases, some JUnit, some test cases. So here you defined. So okay, in test folder. So in main folder, we have the okay, so source code. Source CD main CD Java. So many folders here. CD app, app. Okay, so this is my Java code. Simple. I have two things. So in source code, right? So I have the test cases. and some simple Java code and all. Okay, so that's it. So to explain this thing, I don't know. Okay, I don't know Java. So this thing I got from somewhere. Okay, some Java code. That's it. Okay, I don't know Java. Okay, right. So these things are let's we'll see in Jenkins. So I need to this thing right. So this folder. Okay, I think this I have this thing. Okay, here and pom.xml. Pom.xml will be also it will be there. Okay, so if you open pom.xml file, cd August number generator. So here if you see cat pom.xml file. So here you can see. Okay, you can see. So here, right? So if you want to convert your source code into jar file using Maven, so we have to write this file. Okay. This file you will get from the developer's team, so they'll provide you. But in our case, we have to understand. So what is there? This at least for troubleshooting purpose. Generally, so this file will get from the developer's team. Okay, so they will write this file. They will give us simple. Here, right? You can see here. So I'm building jar file. Here you can see jar file. Jar file, var file, whatever. I'm here jar file. So my jar file name will be so like this. Number generator. So iPhone 1.0 Snapchat. Something name. Okay, here I'm my jar file name defining. So see if we come to here, my test cases. Okay, for JUnit. So those test cases. So those things here I defined here. Simply here in this file we have to mention the whether you are going to jar file or var file, your var file name, your test cases, all those stuff and all in this file will mention. Actually in production, right? So this file will get from the development team. So they will give. Okay, Chandra, Sushant, Charan.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So cat docker file. So now I have this one. I have this one. Okay. So now see docker build -t my name, some name. Okay. So some name, whatever I want to get. November 26th. My image name. Okay. Image. Your Docker file location. If it is different location, then give the full path. If it's same location, then mention the dot. You can see. By default, it's pulling. It first it will full. Okay. If you don't have local server, that whatever image, it will pull. Then it will continue. So done. If you see, if you go above. So here, if you see, right, in my case, I don't have this image. I don't have this image in my local host, this server, right? If we don't have, by default, it will first it will pull. It will pull. You can see pulling. The steps done. Then copying. You can see next, second step, third step, fourth step. Copy done. Here, executing Maven clean package. So okay, Maven clean package means okay, it will convert source code into jar file or var file. whatever you mentioned that permanent XML file. You come down, you see these things are also in the okay, so we can see in the Jenkins also. You can see the test cases. So one test run, 0 fails, 0 errors, everything is 0. Okay, 0. So these test cases we mentioned the permanent XML file. Okay, so that's why it tested. So okay, you can see build success, the build. Okay, so whatever build. Okay, so building jar file, it's building the jar file. You can see. So number generator, my jar file name will be number generator iPhone 1.0 snapshot.jar. So this thing I mentioned in the permanent XML file. So if you don't understand here, again we will see in the Jenkins, same stuff. So done everything. Okay, so my all steps done here. So if we come okay, so you can see here, copy from build stage to here. So successful done, tagged, Docker images. So you can see here. So this is my main image. Here you can see, you can observe here. You can observe. The second one is you can see none. So here, okay. So here right now while open the Docker file, you'll understand. This one. So these steps performed in this image. This image will not required because the size 494 MB. Why? Because on that image, right, we did a lot of things. So so lot of things means copied some huge file. We copied something, right? We copied our source code and we copied some XML file. And here, so we run this command. This command will create so many binaries. So that's why if you see here, the second image size 494 MB, 490 MB. So okay, so these steps, okay, we ran in the first image. So you can see the size only 99 MB. So okay, second image we not required actually. So our image is our custom image is the first one, November 26 image. Okay, so you can see size. All steps, right? All steps, if we execute the same image, then so 494 plus 100, so almost 600 MB will be there. Okay, so that's why what I did, I segregated some build steps. Means all copying source code, all converting source code, jar file, all these things in one image, or okay. So and here in this image I am copying so this jar file to here. So that's why I can see the only so all around 100 MB in my actual image. Okay, so any questions here? Any questions? If you see right here, right, if you mention all in one single image, then right, okay, we'll try. So I'll comment this thing and jar file. Anyway, it will be there. Jar file, right? Jar file will be there. No need to copy. Here we're converting jar file, right? So converting jar file. Jar file already it will be there in this location. Okay, slash. There is okay. Then not required. The copy is not required. Just this step is enough. This steps is enough. Okay, so just leave it. Little confusions. Okay, right. So any questions here? Any confusions at least? Chandra, any questions? Sant?
No, sir.
I'm trying to catch up.
Okay, right. So that is Docker file. So you can refer multiple Docker files in Google also. Same steps, nothing new. It's the same step. Okay, so any questions? If you don't have any questions, then we'll go to the next topic. So here I given some commands. Okay, if you want, you can practice these commands. Okay.
Okay.
Any questions? No, if you don't have any questions, then we'll go to the next topic. So next is values. Okay, so values. Okay, so values means like we can like kind of storage. We can create the Docker values. We can attach. Now just okay. So Docker ps hyphen no right Docker images. Just create any one container. Any one container. So Docker run any one container. Hyphen IT. So Docker run. Data exit may request Docker login. Docker run. Docker container run IT image name. So if you see here, right? If you see here, so if you see here, right? Now I'm in the container. I'm in the container. Within the container, if you see the size, right? You can see size. Okay, total 9.7. So this size, okay, this came from the my server, my Docker host. If you don't define anything, by default, your container will share your Docker host resources. Your Docker host size, the size, CPUs, memory, all the stuff and all. Your container will take from your Docker host. If you see here,
Yeah.
I didn't define the so this one. Okay, so this 9.7 GB, all this I didn't define in my Docker container. So it took from my Docker host. Control PQ. So now I'm in my server. My server. You see, uh, you can see 9.7, 9.7, 3.5. Same numbers. Here also same number. Here same numbers. If you don't define anything in it, by default, your containers will save your Docker host resources. So here, right, we can create our own values. We can mount it. Maybe external, internal values, like external storage, internal storage also. So we can mount into your container. Okay. Chandra, Sushant, Charan, any questions?
Yeah, fine.
Chandra, any question, Chandra, Sushant? Any confusions?
No, we are good on this part.
Now what I will do, so I will create the values. So this is Docker values. LS is list. So Docker value. Okay, as of now, I don't have any values here. So in Docker values, I will define. So this is simple comments. So here okay. So here I give okay. So here I given Docker comments and so you can follow. The theory, right? If you want, so here same as like storage. Docker values can be used for many things. You can see Docker values theory and all. So this is my container. So okay, you can create the value. You can attach this value. It may be internal or the external also. If you see right, so if you have like some external storage, right, SAN, NetApp storage, IBM storage, EMC storage, something and all. So those storage also you can attach to your container. So here, if you see here, right, so okay, this is my container. so this is my container. Okay, so I can create one value, I can attach. Okay. So here, this is my container. Yeah. Here I have created one value, attach it, right? So now, right, okay, so here, right, so the data, whatever data will be there in the container, so it will be stored in the your value, not in the your container, local container. So we can save. Okay, so same thing. We see, right? If you take your laptop, in your laptop, okay, even your laptop, right? You can attach the external hard disk also. External hard disk, right? Take pen drive. You can attach pen drive. In pen drive, you can save some data. Okay, the same pen drive you can insert into different laptop, right? Different laptop. There in that laptop, you can access the same data. Same here also same thing. So I can mount, I can attach this value to here. So I can save some data here. I can detach from here. Same value. I can attach to different container. If I attach different container, okay. So whatever data is there within this value, I can access here. Same like your pen drive concept. Okay, so you can insert a pen drive into one laptop. You can copy some data, right? So you can load some data under same pen drive. You can attach to different laptop. If attach different laptop, so if we insert different laptop, your pen drive, so there you can access the same data, whatever you have the laptop one. So here also same concept. Here also same concept. Yes. So the volumes that we can attach, we can detach. So okay, if you the same value at the same time you can't attach to two. Okay, so two containers at the same time. So if you want to attach this value to different containers, then you have to detach here. Detach here, okay, then attach to different value, different container. If you attach different container, so whatever data is there, so the same data in this container also you can access. Okay, Chandra, Sushant, Charan.
Yeah.
Sushant, any questions here? Charan, any questions?
No,
No.
good.
Good.
Sushant, okay, can you put in mute, Sushant? So much disturbance from your side. So, okay, same thing. Okay, so the value, so you can attach to different container also. So here I have all the commands. Okay, so you can practice. Okay, right. So Docker value create some value one. Okay, so you can see my value here I have created a local value. Okay, so you can see local whatever. This is a local value. You want to move, for example, you want to remove, you can remove all this. Okay, you can do it. If you want to attach this value to any container, so this is the command. Docker run. Okay, so you can see here. So what I'm doing here, I'm creating new container, and this is my new container name. I'm naming here. I'm naming here, and I'm mounting my value one to this target, this mount point, Okay, I'm creating new container from this image. Whatever image you can take it. Some image, okay. Alpha also one of the image. You can take whatever image you require. Okay, so existing image, new images, whatever image you can take it. Okay, so using this image, I am going to create the new container, and I am naming to my container. So this name, and I'm mounting my value, the whatever value I have created now. So this value to So in this container on this target point, this point. So any questions here in this command? Any questions here?
No.
Just copy. Okay, so done. So docker ps-a, you can see my name, whatever I given that name, while testing some my container name. Okay, so docker attach Now I'm in my container df-h. You can see where /var directory /var directory. Host name etc host. Okay, here you can see it. Okay, so here that I mounted my value one on this target point /var directory. You can see. Here also you can see the same size 9.6. Why 9.6 or 8? Here that in this value I didn't define my value size. Again, if you don't define value size, by default you will take your Docker host resource. Here, right, we're defining Docker value. So okay, so we're creating, right, so while creating this thing, okay, so here we can define some size by our value that I will show you. So anyway, here, right, I mounted so cd wall directory. Yes. So here just touch test1 test2 test3. Just I have created some files here. So where I have created my value, you can see in this mount point I have mounted my value one. Okay, so in this, okay, in my value I have created some data, some content, some applications. Okay, any questions here? Simple. Here I have created one value. That value I have mounted into one point in this container. Okay, in this container. So same thing I can see here. Now, okay. So in my value I have created some data, some stuff, some applications. Now what I will do? So okay, I can detach my value from here, and I will attach the same value to different container. If I attach different container, there also you can see the same data. I'll show you that one. So far, any questions here? How to mount in one point in one container and this stuff under? Any questions? Any confusions? Let me know at least any confusions. I'll try to explain once again. Session Chandra?
Okay.
Simple here. Here, right? I have created one value. So like value one. So the same value one. Okay. So value one. Okay, what I did, I mounted into one mount point in this image. In this I'm creating one container in this container. So I'm mounting my value in this mount point. Okay. So same thing here I can see. Now what I did. So in this, okay, in my value, I have created some data. Just assume some applications. So I deployed some applications here. Now, right, what? Okay, so okay, I will detach this value from here, and I will mount it to different container. So there also you can see the same data. So now what I did, I have created one value. This value I attached to one container. Okay, one container. Okay. So one container. So and in this value, I have some stuff. I have created some empty files. File test1, test2, test3, and so now what I will do? I detach from here. Same value. I'll attach to different container. So if I attach different container, so here also you can see the same data, whatever data. So we have created here. Okay, concepts clear? Are any confusions here?
Not clear, sir.
What's it?
No, this one. Any confusions here?
So basically, the volumes we create, right, Ram? They will be, as you told, it will be on some what you call net backup machines or storage machines or something like that.
Yes. Maybe external, internal values, whatever. So
Okay, so like at the place where the data center is, there should be a physical net app or some server, right?
yes, exactly.
Okay, so for us it is again virtual, these volumes as well.
Yes, virtual. Yes.
Oh.
So here, right, I don't have that external net app or the storage and all.
Yeah.
So that's why. So I'm creating values here. I'm creating values and something. So actually, right, what we will do? So we will So DFFNH. Okay. So for example, like here, right, so we will mount external values. Any net app storage, EMP storage, IBM storage values. Those values will mount into our containers.
Okay.
So here,
Just for storage purpose.
Yes, just for storage purpose. Exactly.
Okay.
Okay, right. So now, what we'll do? So I will. So the same that volume one, I will mount into different different container. So we'll see the same data. So if you want, you can remove that your container, whatever container we have created now. So you can remove. I'm removing. You can see here, just dark container, remove my containers. I'm removing here. I removed. So now what I will do? Again, I'll going to create a new container and I will attach my existing value. Docker container. So this is my new container. I'm mounting same value, same value. Okay, so my mount point is different. You can see here I given different. So here I given different something. Your image, whatever image you can take it. That up to your issue. Okay, whatever image you want, you can take it. Just for demo purpose. Simple. Here same value. Okay, I am going to mount into different container, my new container. Docker attach DFFNH. So here you can see mounted CD app. So you can see data. The test1, test2, test3. This test1, test2, test3 I have created my existing container, existing value. The data is my value. So if I mount same value to different container, I can see the same data. So this data I have created here, right? You see that my existing container. Okay. Any questions?
Hmm. So the target which we are giving, is that just a directory or
Yeah, just
this
directly in the your mount point in the your container. So this one.
directory on the mount point?
Direct. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Directly. It may be directly. Okay. It may be directly in the container. Yeah. Directly.
Oh, okay. And the image, if we are giving a different image, is it the same source code we are copying or different one? Because the image is different, right?
The image is different. So just
Hmm.
okay. Just I'm mounting this value. That's it. Just mounting
Okay.
this value.
Just
Whatever data is,
attaching.
yeah, that I'm attaching this value. Whatever data is there in that value. So the same data it will come to your new container.
Okay. Hmm. It doesn't depend on the image, right?
Yeah. See, the image, just leave it. Okay, whatever image you want to take, here just the container. Okay, so
Okay.
I'm attaching my value to my new container, my different container. This image, whatever image you want, you can take it. Same image, different image, existing, whatever image you want, you can take it. So, but new container. Okay, so new container, I'm attaching the same value one.
Oh.
So here it is, I can see the same data also. Simple here. Okay, what I did here. So here I inserted my pen drive. Okay, I inserted my pen drive. In my pen drive, okay, I created some test 1, test 2, test 3. Again, same pen drive, I inserted into different laptop, different container. If I insert pen drive in different container, there also I can see the same data, whatever I copied, I have there. Okay, so in my in my pen drive. Same like some value. Okay. If you go any technology, AWS, Azure, any cloud, any technology, same concept, volume concept. In AWS, we have same concept, storage concept. You can
Okay.
get the volume, you can attach,
Mhm.
detach, all this stuff and all.
So for sure we need to detach before attaching it to another container, or
Yeah.
we can
Yeah.
keep. Okay. We can we keep both in this both containers
No.
same day?
No.
No. Okay.
That is different concept. Okay. So that is different concept. So if you want, we'll try. Okay. We'll try. So now, right? Okay. I have same thing. I will create one more new container. It's a new one, same value. Okay, new value. You want try a different whatever. You can see. I think okay. So we can same time we can. So Docker attach one. Yeah, we can. You can see here. We can same value at the same time. So you can access from the multiple containers. So LSFNL, you can df app cd app LSFNL. Okay, you can see. Yeah, yes, okay. So same container, okay, same value. Again, I will get one more container. We can attach, okay, we can attach.
Oh, there is no need to detach. We can attach.
No.
Okay.
If you want, you can detach. Otherwise, you can attach at the same time, same value to multiple containers. Again, I'm going to create new container, new to same value. CFF1H. So here also you can see the CD app. So LSF1, you can see same data. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Chandra.
Yeah. Okay.
Charan, any questions here?
Okay.
What does the
Sure.
df does, sir? df-h. What is that command used for?
It's a Linux command. If you want to see your Linux files, the storage, the file systems.
Oh, file system. Okay. df is only used for file storage. Okay.
Your file system. Okay. This is the Linux command to
So it
check
just
your file
displays
system.
what are available.
Yeah. It will displays. Yeah.
Same
size,
like ls-l.
It's like this df.
Okay, right. So this is one thing. One more thing, right? So if you want to attach your external values, for example, assume that I have one external value /opt. I create one directory. So make directory in /opt in my local server. So RAM. Okay. Just assume that. Okay. So whatever this /opt RAM opt RAM. So here I will create some content. Right. File 1, 2. Right. I can attach this. Okay. Just assume that this is my some external value. Maybe some SAN storage. Some SAN storage. Some storage. Right? Some external value. This external value also you can attach to your container. Just assume that. So this is my some value, some external value. So in this value, I have some data. Okay, I have some data. So file 1, file 2, file 3. So if I attach this value to my container, so there I can see the same data. So as of now, what we did, we created the Docker value. I attached Docker value. This is one part. And also you can attach external storage. Here, just assume that this is your external storage /opt RAM, some external storage. Okay. So now I can attach this value to my container also. If I attach there, I can see the same data. File 1, file 2, file 3. Okay. Chandra? So I will attach this one. So to attach that one, so command will be some command is this. Some 1 second. Command mount. Okay, this is a command. Name some whatever my new container 26 some name mount. Type is equal to bind. Okay, so here you have to give type is equal to bind. Source is equal to your external /opt/RAM in my case. So target whatever just you can give your image. So I'm going to create new container from this image, and I'm mounting bind mounting. Okay, mounting my external value. So this is my target mount directory in this container. So let's just run this command. You can come back also. Just run this command. Done. Anyway, now I'm in my container df-h. You can see demo 1 2 3 4 5. You go demo 1 2 3 4. Demo LSFL. See the file 1, file 2, file 3. Whatever I created in the my external value. Okay, Chandra, Sushant, Charan. So like this also, extra storage also you can mount using bind type is equal to bind. Any questions here? Simple. So here, right here, I have created Docker value. I mounted my Docker value. So here, so I am mounting my external storage value.
Yeah, okay.
You can type is equal to bind. So if you use type is equal to bind means, so we can mount the external values. For example, just here, just assume that /opt RAM is some external value. Okay, the same value you can mount into your container. Okay, any questions? Sushant, any confusion, Sushant?
No, I mean, no, sir. Okay, I'll have to go through it.
Yeah, just practice. Charan, any questions, Charan?
No.
Okay,
I
so
think
I'll
that's
I'll upload this thing. Okay, so I'll anyway the documentation is already it is there. So this video also I will upload today. So just you can practice. So that's it. The value concept. Okay, so in we have so that's it value concept. Pending Docker Swarm one class. Docker networking also networking one class. One more thing is Swarm. One more concept is there. Docker Swarm. I forgot. Yeah, one more concept. So that is one class. Forget that concept name. I forgot that concept name. Docker Swarm. One more thing. Forgot. Anyway, I will remember tomorrow. Okay, we have three classes. Okay, for Docker. So okay, so 3 days, 3 classes.
Okay.
Docker Swarm. Docker Swarm means the cluster. Okay, so we can so cluster basis. So cluster networking means we can create the own network, one gateway, one subnet, or one IPs you can assign to your containers. So one more concept I forgot here, but we will see tomorrow. So okay, so any questions?
no.
No, sir.
So if you don't have any questions, then we'll see tomorrow. Okay, in 3 classes we will complete the Docker. So then we will go Docker Compose. Okay, Docker Compose. Docker Swarm means cluster. It's kind of cluster. Okay, so cluster. So networking means networking. Compose means that if you see here, right? So as of now we are creating only one container. Okay. If you want to create multiple containers the same time, so using multiple images. So, okay. Here I'm creating only one container at the same time. Using this command, I'm creating only one container, right? So if you want to create multiple containers at the same time, then we can go for the compose. Using compose, we can handle multiple containers with multiple images or same image, whatever. We can create the multiple containers. Okay. So compose. Swarm, Docker Swarm is cluster. Okay, yeah. So that's it for today. So we'll see tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll see networking. Okay. We'll see networking.
Already tomorrow and after tomorrow here. So will update you. It's a 4-day holiday, so.
Oh, okay. Okay, fine. Just try to join. Okay, so we'll complete. Okay, we'll finish as soon as possible.
Yeah.
At least 1 hour. At least you can join for 1 hour. Okay, so 1 hour also fine. So.
Okay.
Okay, fine. Thanks. See you tomorrow.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.